Every day you tell yourself the same lie. Tomorrow I'll change. Tomorrow you'll wake up earlier. Tomorrow you'll stop wasting time. Tomorrow you'll become disciplined. But tomorrow keeps passing, and your life stays the same. You wake up, grab your phone, scroll for hours, avoid hard things, then sleep feeling guilty. Not because you're lazy, because you have no structure. And without structure, your potential slowly disappears. The truth is simple. Your life changes when your daily routine changes. Not through motivation, not through watching endless videos, through small actions repeated every single day. So stop making self-improvement complicated. Here's the simplest daily routine that can change your life. First, stop touching your phone the moment you wake up. Most people start their mornings consuming noise. Social media, videos, distractions. Before their brain even wakes up, they already lose control of their focus. Instead, wake up and take control of your mind first. Drink water, make your bed, stand in silence for 1 minute. Remind yourself who you want to become. Then move your body. Do push-ups. Go for a walk. Run. Stretch. It doesn't matter what you do. What matters is discipline. Because every time you move when you don't feel like it, you build mental strength. Then spend 1 hour improving your future. Study. Learn a skill. Read. Work on your goals. One focused hour every day can completely change your life within a year. But most people waste that hour scrolling through content they won't even remember tomorrow. That's why they stay stuck. And before you sleep, ask yourself one question. Did I become better today? Not perfect, just better. Because self-improvement is not about changing your life overnight. It's about repeating simple habits until your old self becomes unrecognizable. The people who win in life are not always more talented. They are more consistent. So stop waiting for motivation. Start building routines that force you to grow. Wake up with purpose. Move your body. Protect your focus. Work on your future. Repeat it every day. And one day you'll look at your old life and barely recognize the person you used to be.